38th question. I think this is one of the most ill-posed questions in the whole question paper. The tensile strength of a degradable suture used for a surgical procedure in the human body is observed to decrease exponentially from its original strength by 40% and 50% after 10 days and 20 days respectively. The closest approximation of the time taken for the tensile strength to decay to 20% of its original value would be dash. Okay. The reason this is ill-posed is, okay, they ask you to fit an exponential function given just 2 points, right? So let's try to visualize the information given in the figure. Let's say this is a tensile strength and this is the time in days, okay? So initially it's like 100%, then after 10 days its value drops by 40%. So its current value is 60, okay? Drop is 40, so its value is 60. Then after 20 days, value drops by 50%, so its current value is 50%. When will its value decay to 20%? So in which day would this value be like 20%? So a couple of oddities show up here. First of all, if you try to fit a function y is 100 power e power bt, couple of things. So you do not know whether this function is going to be exponential here or here, or even if the rate of exponential drop is going to be the same here compared to this one. For example, it took 20 days for it to drop by 50%, right? So in the 10 days I would have expected it to be close to 75%, right? Or if the exponential drop had been like this one, then again the 60% and 50% do not match well. After if the drop is 60% in 10 days, I would have expected a much steeper drop in 20 days. So the best curve that makes sense here is y is, let's start from this day when they say it's going to drop exponentially. So on that day it's 60. If you write it as e power delta t, okay, so at this day delta t is 0, so e power 0 is 1 and we get y's value to be 60. So let's start with this function and try to find the value of b, and then subsequently find the time at which it will become 20%. So, okay, when is y 50? Y is 50 when e power b times delta t is 10 to 20, it's 20 minus 10, which is 10, right? Now try to solve for b by taking ln on both sides. We get b's value to be minus 0.01823. Okay, so once we know the value of b, we want y is going to be 20 of 60 e power b times delta t. Again, take ln on both sides and find the value of delta t. We get delta t to be 60.36. Note that at this point we know what b value is. Okay, so delta t from the 10th day is 60.36. So when will the value actually decay to 20%? It's t, that's 10 initially, plus delta t, right? So the answer that we are looking for is equal to 10 plus delta t, which is 70.36. This is closest to 70 in option D, which is supposed to be the correct answer. Okay, this problem I think is ill-posed, but this is the best solution that I have.